Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be making these super cute shorts that my doll is demonstrating. So you'll be needing this pattern off of Sue Adorable. I'm pretty sure I have this pattern linked up my website. If it's not, I'll make sure to link it there. And we'll be using this pattern to make these shorts. Alright, let's get started with this video. Alright guys, so for this video, you're going to be needing some wide double folded, it doesn't have to be double folded, but this liner stuff I'm using, and fabric I'm using this white muslin, and your sewing stuff. This is a no Velcro project because it has the tie in the front, which I personally really enjoy. You can hand sew this, or you can use your sewing machine like me. So I cut up my pieces and I made mine just a little bit longer because these shorts can get a bit high up, and I just really wanted mine to be a bit longer so they're more like a beach and casual short, and if I wanted to I could cuff the bottoms. So I just cut two on the fold and I think it looks pretty good. Now we're going to start sewing this together. So I'm going to first just sew this one part of these together right here, and then we'll sew this part together. Now I'm going to sew together the pieces right here and line them up like that. But before we do that, just make sure you hem the bottoms of this. I suggest a 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/2 inch. If I would suggest a 1/4 inch either way. If you extended your shorts or if you let it stay the same, I'd suggest a 1/4 inch. Alright guys, so now we're going to be sewing the part where we're going to sew this into. So I'm going to be making mine just around a 1/2 inch because this is a 1/2 inch thick, so maybe 3/4 of an inch, so it can fit through here. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So after you're done finished sewing this part, you're going to want to take a safety pin and your trim and just attach it on there really simply. I suggest using a smaller safety pin than what I'm using, but this is around the width of my thing, and I just want to make sure it can get through when I send it. So now you're just going to want to send it through and gather it. Alright, so now that we have this through the entire shorts, I'm going to first go over this part right here with a zigzag stitch, then I'll stitch it together. For me, it's a little tight around the waistband. I think I should have probably widened it, but it's gonna be a little better if I just leave like this much out so it's easier, and the tie will probably hide it. Also, make sure you have extra string on this end so you can tie it together in the end. So I just finished sewing mine up. This is how much space I really have left. It's currently not inside out, but I think this looks really cute. You do not have to go through everything with this. You could just add some buttons up to make it look like Nenea's, which is super easy. You don't have to really buy that all. But now I'm just gonna tie this in at a bow. Alright guys, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you really liked it and enjoyed it. A quick little comment I want to make is you can easily make this. You just have to, well, this is a 1/2 inch fabric. So you basically just have to fold it over once 1/2 inch, another 1/2 inch, and you got it because it's not sewed down. That's how I made this stuff for this one. And they're super cute. This one's really a cool BG pair. You can easily match it with a swimsuit. And this is really cute. It could be like, it could go with your nightwear or anything else like that. This one in particular, I really like because it reminds me of someone I know, and it's just really colorful and bright, and it can go with anything. Alright, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell in the corner. And try to make these yourself. I mean, they're really easy. It didn't take me more than 20 minutes because I was filming. Probably will take you around 15 to get it right. And it really did benefit having the longer shorts because I just rolled these up, but they're currently, that's how their normal length is, and like that's how long it is, and that's it, just rolled up, so it looks way better. And I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.